Why do you run from me? I've chased you all of my life. I can't let you slip away. Now that the time is right.
Hello folks, Bob Rogers here, and I'm learning how to surf on a kayak. Well, we're back here at Kahana Bay on the windward coast of Oahu. Guess what? Surf's up! As was predicted, the swell increased in the last week, and we have some good-sized waves today in a bay that rarely has surf. The whole gang is out here today. Longboarders, stand-up surfers, kite surfers, hydrofoilers. Not as many youngsters. As I said, the waves are really good size. Here comes a good-sized wave. Though it doesn't look like it on camera, this one has about a 4 to 5 foot face, which is generating a lot of speed and power. I ride mostly on the top half of the wave, so you don't really see the full-size wave.
Sing me a song of the island. Rock me in your arms, gentle shore.
Yes, Oahu is known to have 30-foot waves during the winter on the North Shore, but you're not going to see too many kayak surfing these waves. This is big for an old man like me. Plenty of power and turbulence. Tourists tend to underestimate the power of the waves in the islands. Even a 4 to 5 footer sure keeps the lifeguards busy. It's a gorgeous scenic day to be out surfing in this bay. There are a lot of folks out in the water today. Because of the power and speed these waves generate, it's a little more of a challenge to dodge others paddling out for their turn to ride the surf. That was a tricky one.
Softly the sun breaks through the clouds, flowing over the land. I feel the water.
Well, this is a steep one. I didn't have that many paddles to catch this wave.
Now my eyes clearly see.
Kahana Bay is about 3/4 of a mile wide, and I'm taking off about 500 yards offshore, close to the mouth of this bay. Many times the waves roll across the entire bay, and this allows you to have long rides and often many riders on one wave. If you look carefully, you might see some hydrofoilers or longboarders on the same wave as me.
My weary bones, traveled souls that wandered aimlessly, dancing in the waves that wash the sand. Pacific wind is blowing through my head. Hawaiian rain keeps on falling. Gently it washes.
All right, I'm catching my last wave of the day. Uh-oh, there goes a prone hydrofoiler. The hydrofoilers tend to be very fast, but it's still not a good idea to ride in front of someone. Anyway, it was an exhilarating day with gorgeous views, good-sized waves. It was my best day of kayak surfing ever. Awesome.
Gently it washes my soul. Sing me
Time to wash off and load the stick back in the truck and head home. There's talk of the swell continue to rise. That would be truly amazing. We haven't had this many days of good waves in Kahana Bay in the last 8 years I've been surfing here. Well, you guys have a great week. See you in the next session. As always, be healthy, safe, and be happy. Aloha.
Rock me in your arms, gentle